Tomodachi Life crashing freezing issue on Nintendo 3DS and emulator. Hashtag 1. Restart your device. Close Tomodachi Life completely. Restart your Nintendo 3DS or emulator. Launch the game again afterward. 2. Update the game. Check for latest Tomodachi Life updates. Install all available patches. Restart the device after updating. 3. Check storage space. Make sure enough free storage is available. Delete unused files or games if storage is full. Relaunch the game afterward. 4. Verify emulator settings. Citra users. Reset emulator graphics settings to default. Disable unstable cheats or mods. Update Citra Emulator to latest version. 5. Disable cheats and mods. Turn off all active cheat codes. Remove incompatible mods temporarily. Start the game normally again. 6. Repair corrupted save data. Backup your save files safely. Remove corrupted save data carefully. Restore backup save if available. 7. Update graphics drivers. Install latest GPU drivers on PC. Restart your computer after updating. Relaunch the emulator afterward. 8. Lower emulator graphics settings. Reduce internal resolution in emulator. Disable advanced graphics enhancements. Enable accurate hardware shader settings. 9. Reinstall the game or emulator. Uninstall Tomodachi Life or emulator completely. Delete leftover cache config files. Install a fresh copy again. Use compatible ROM game files. Make sure ROM or cartridge files are not corrupted. Redump the game from original cartridge if needed. Avoid modified or broken game files.